From massive mudslides to furiously fast flash floods, in this video we are looking at some of the craziest natural disasters Mother Nature has to offer. Make sure you tap that like button and subscribe for more Furious Nature videos. These firefighters in California caught a car being swept down the road by a mudslide. These cave explorers were recording an educational video when a flash flood surprised them.
Did you hear that? Hey, y'all hear that up there? I feel like I hear something.
Some people were exploring this river when a mudslide came out of nowhere, with a force strong enough to topple down the trees. This flash flood quickly destroys this small neighborhood. – 90% of natural disasters that happen in the United States are floods.
Should we move our cars out front of the building and just go right up front of it?
Oh, I hope so. Oh, here's, look at that, look at that. There's a wheelie bin.
Mira, te trajo el carro. Venga, los dos. Mira, chamo. Tiene otro camión justo abajo, mira. Vamos. Mierda, mira. Que ese carro me bajó de ahí.
This shopping mall in Japan was full of people when a flash flood struck. If your skin comes in contact with floodwater, be sure to wash it with soap because the contents of the water are unknown.
Ah, este fue en el año 97, perro.
Just 1 inch of floodwater can destroy a home or business.
Que viene. Que viene. Mira qué ruido era. Vine, corre, vine. Vine que es para atrás. Démonos a las 3, va. Ahora la trapacera, ira. ¡Ah, caramba! Pues nevarse da igual, ¿eh? Nevarse da igual.
Floodwaters can sweep away objects that weigh thousands of pounds. Flash floods can bring walls of water 10 to even 20 feet high.
Bây giờ bắt mưa lắm. Xa bòi. Cái nhà trên kia trôi rồi. Ôi. Ôi à. Trời cứu. Có cái đề đâu.
These onlookers got caught up in a flash flood that almost killed one man who was swept away and then rescued shortly after. These hikers in Utah got lucky when a flash flood crossed their path. This huge flash flood hit Nepal in 2022. This flash flood in Japan quickly took over the entire town. This man barely saves his own life by clinging onto this tree. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, then go watch this video on screen and tell us you came from here.